What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having an awesome day today. So I'm just sitting out here waiting on the guy to show up to open up this little picking. This is actually the same Jetta I came and got the black door panel off of. So I want to see if they still have the MAF inside of this vr6, and they still have the throttle body in it too. I just want to take both of them because I think both of mine are messed up. So I just want to take both of them off of this vr6 and put them on mine. It's starting to rain on me now, but I did end up getting the MAF flow sensor and the throttle body. So pretty excited about that. Just got to get back home and put them on now. So I'll catch you guys when we get home. Alright, now let's get started with this. Alright, so here is the new throttle body. So I need to take that throttle body off and put this one on, or drive by wire, or however, whichever one you guys want to call it. Drive by wire or throttle body. I prefer throttle body, drive by wire. I don't know, whatever you guys prefer. And this is the MAF, the mass airflow sensor. This guy, I haven't seen the Kia in a minute though. I don't know if you guys remember the Kia, but this is Keith and the Kia. He just stopped by to say what's up. Boy, she still look good, boy. I swear you still need a baggie though. I'm gonna keep saying that, huh?
I said if it ain't fully mine, I ain't bagging it.
All right.
What's happening?
Oh, you got the light.
Oh yeah. Look, I got the little firecrackers too.
Hey. For the most part, this should be pretty simple. For the most part, this should be pretty simple and straightforward. It's just like 4 of these on here, and I gotta just take off all 4 of these, and then kind of put the new one in there. This was the old throttle body. This flap right here was not opening and closing on this throttle body. So I don't know if, I believe this one was bad. So I went and got this one off of another running VR. So I'm going to try out this one, and hopefully that fixes the problem. Alright, new throttle body. Just to knock the MAF off the list, I just grabbed this one off of the car too. So I know the car was running, so all of this works. And let's just hook this one up and see what happens. Take it, sit it in there, and let's just hook that back in, and then hook. Alright, so I got all of that back together now. So now I'm going to try and give it a start and see what happens. Okay, so this is first try with everything hooked up. This is going to be second try with the throttle body. So second try with the throttle body unattached. Third try, MAF unattached. Okay, let's take everything off now. And as soon as I hook the throttle body up, she dies. So I really don't get it. Change out throttle body, whole new throttle body, plug sensor up, dies. Everything together, she won't turn on. Everything off, she turns right on. Everything is replaced. So I mean, I'm lost for words here. I'll try it one more time. Now the whole battery is dying and it's doing that whole thing on me. So I don't know. I'm stuck there again. I just replaced everything from a running car over to this car, and still the same issues. I don't think I'm going to be able to take it to Fitment Days, which is this weekend. It's just a little depressing because I put so much work in it and I just wanted to take it, but it's okay. I'm still going, but I don't know what's up with the Jetta. I thought that would definitely fix the problem. So you guys go ahead and comment down below and tell me what you think. Be sure to give the video a like if you did like it and thought the video was enjoyable, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Remember guys, have an awesome day. I need to clean the carpet, so I'm really dreading this, but I gotta do it, so let's do it.